We all do love it when we enjoy and have the freedom while we work. It doesn't matter what we do, as long as we do love it. And making money from home and online jobs are nowadays taking the world to another level, and so many people are trying to find out on how they can make money online. So in today's video, I got you a site that has all that in one place. I'd like it if I add this one more site in your playlist so that you can earn more dollars. If that's why you clicked on this video, then let's ride on. With these jobs that I'm going to share with you guys, they enable you to choose your own working hours. It gives you a variety of jobs. You can choose which jobs you want to do. The pay is good. There are no special requirements. So let's jump straight to my computer so that I can show you how this goes. Starting off, you want to go to a site called talentdesire.com, and right on their homepage there are so many things that they show you right here on their homepage. And you can start here. You can view perks, tools, tips, current openings, find answers, contact us, and you can also log in right away if you have an account, that is. So I'm just going to go through their homepage with you guys. Your dream career starts now. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home. They do not need any money from you. You can go straight to getting started, but I want to go through the homepage with you guys. So here you can see explore jobs. So you can go ahead and explore the jobs. You can get hired right away, and then with that you can also start working. To start working, you must be going through exploring jobs, getting hired, then you start working, then you collect your earnings. Just use that formula. So just like they say it, I want to go straight to exploring jobs. The first one is online proofreading jobs. Let it be known that these jobs are available in different levels, and as your skill grows, so does your money. Yeah, so you become like an expert. They pay from $10.50 to $37.50 per hour. That's a really good pay. Next on, we have freelance blogging jobs. I'd advise you guys to go through all these online jobs all by yourself. So that will just help you find what fits you best, because if you apply all these jobs, there is a guarantee that you will find one of them. Fast forward, we have online paid survey jobs, online teaching jobs, online typing jobs, and etc. There are so many. They also give you a choice of whether to do tasks online or to post tasks so that people can get and start working on your tasks, things like that. So the fun part about working with this site is that they do not require any registration fees. It is free of charge to sign up. It is free of charge to apply for the jobs, and it is free of charge to start working with them. What I really love about Talent Desire is that they offer a variety of jobs available to you in one site, and that is what I really love about them. You don't have to mingle through different sites when you want to do something. So I really love the idea of putting all this together, be it freelancing, be it typing jobs, data entry jobs, all of them, they are in that one site. Okay, I decided to click on one job so that I can review the requirements. And here right on the screen they say that if you want to earn some extra money working from home on your own computer and schedule, then online typing job is perfect for you. You will find jobs for all levels of typing skills, from beginner to expert home-based typist. Okay, the list goes on and on and on. So you guys can go through this on your own. They also say that you can earn $13,500 to $27,000 in a year, and work is guaranteed. Their accuracy level tends to be a bit high, 99%, of which if you don't get that accurate, you might have to do the work again. They pay according to different levels. There is beginner, intermediate, professional, and experts. And then there is powered price and estimated earning per article. And I think this varies according to the type of job you choose. But you guys just go through all these price tags and then you can go ahead and apply. I'd advise anyone who has chosen typing jobs to go through the demo work first so that you can see how accurate you can be and what is expected of you, And then when it comes to payment terms and options, that is something that you can go work on after you've done the job, after you are sure of doing the job. So yeah, just go ahead and apply. Okay, the listed requirements are like minimum of 30 to 50 words typing speed. They need a computer with high internet speed. They only need your basic knowledge. They only need your basic knowledge in English. I hope you guys found this very helpful. I'd like to know what other online jobs you guys want me to talk about, and I'll be glad to do that. And make sure you're subscribed and be loading the bell so that you don't miss my next upload. And of course, have an amazing hour, an amazing day, an amazing month, an amazing week. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.